I'll check out these vintage. Oh, this is super old school here. Look at this. Super old school phones here. Talking 1940s here, 1930s. Or, I don't know, I got the years wrong maybe. Ah, look at that, a typewriter. Look at this. Vintage typewriter. Wow. Clocks here. Little telescope here. Cool. So you have any prop like, you know, watches, Apple phones, iPad, iWatch, iPads. This is it. So wow. It's pretty cool. So let's say you're working on a period piece and you need like a certain iPhone, you know, model, you know. They got 15s, they got 14s, iPhone 12s. You got iPhone 3s, 4s. Yeah, you have all this right here. So which is pretty cool. You know, if you're